Okay, let's get started. New BackPage Poster. Brand new from BetaBuzz Software. Pretty simple to use, actually. Pretty basic layout. Can't make it any bigger, can't make it any smaller. Just had to be that way. Okay. Right after you download and extract, you're going to get a folder, kind of like this one down here. And open that up, and you'll get this. First steps to take the file that says City Page Poster, this one, and you're going to want to copy that to your local disk. To find your local disk, you're going to go to My Computer, click on Computer, and it's going to open this up. It's not going to open up another one because I'm currently already in one. Click on your local disk or your C drive. Then you're going to click on this, drag it over here, or you can just do a right click, copy, paste it over here. After you do that, you're going to want to open that up, and then you won't be seeing these. Actually, delete those. First thing you want to do is go into your titles. This is going to have all the titles that you want posted. Now, how this is going to work, each line represents a different title that the program will find and the program will use. It'll pick one randomly, so if you're going to do a post, you're going to want several different titles, but they all have to do with like the same thing. The main thing you want to focus on is one central theme. I know some of these kind of seem random, but they're just for show right now to make it all work, to make the program work correctly. Right here I have 24, but I recommend at least 30 for the program to operate fully. See, the way Backpage works is you can't have the same title more than once in the same state. So one of the states, say it's Texas, they have about 30 different locations. So you're going to want 30 different titles for it to work. If you don't do it, well, it's not going to work. Then once you get all your titles, this is the big thing. The way the program reads, each line is a title. So say you got the cursor right here at the end. This is where you want it. If you have the cursor past this at all, it's going to read each one of those blank spaces as a line. So what you're going to want is the point where when you click underneath, you should be having your cursor inside this line. If you don't have it inside the line, then it's not going to work right. It's going to find all these titles, but then it's going to throw blank titles, and then the website's not going to allow a blank title, and then there's your first problem. But after you get all the titles you want, you can just save that, close out of it. I'm not going to save because mine already works right. Then you want to go to your posts. Okay, now for the posts. What most people don't know is that you can actually use HTML code in your Backpage post. So this is an example post. It uses a YouTube video and also takes a picture and turns it into a link to go to a web page. All you got to do is copy it, paste it in your description, put your email in there, I'll have this blocked out so you can't see it. Then go to the next page, and it will actually bring up your YouTube video and the picture to go to the page that you want. Pretty simple stuff, and not most Backpage programs will be able to do that. So that's one perk of having this Backpage program. Okay, after you get the post that you want, you just save it, exit out, and then you're ready to start. One thing you will need for this to work is an account by Death by CAPTCHA. Cheapest CAPTCHA breaking program or API available at the moment. What you're going to need to do is sign up, and let's log into ours quick. Have this all blocked out so you cannot see it. And right there, rates per 1,000 CAPTCHAs, about $1.39. So you're paying $1.40 for 1,000 posts, basically. If it doesn't get the right CAPTCHA, it'll bring back an error, but then it won't count against you. You'll actually get that CAPTCHA back. and it only counts when you actually break a CAPTCHA. So total 2,000 and not a single bad one. Pretty good. So you want to make an account there. Then after you have all that account set up, and then you got your BackPage account that you want to use, you're going to log in. You got to get your BackPage login, and then you got to do your CAPTCHA login. One thing to remember with your CAPTCHA login, you will not have your email. It'll be your username, so you don't want to get these two mixed up. So there shouldn't be an @ symbol in your CAPTCHA login. Then, after you make sure, double check you got all these right, you want to click the Start button. It's going to load in all your titles, count them for you so you know exactly how many you have. It's going to load your body post, and then it's going to load 410 locations to post your ad. All of those are every single location for the United States Biz Ops. Soon we'll be releasing the health and fitness ones, or if anyone has a special request, we can do that too. It'll just be a little extra charge for the other posts. Or, you know, you can go through and do it all by yourself, but that takes hours. See, right there. Ooh. See, one thing the program's meant to do, see it says not responding right there? It's actually coded to stop while it thinks for the CAPTCHA, because if you're trying to do something with the program while it thinks for the CAPTCHA, the program's not going to like that. So I have it set to freeze the program while the CAPTCHA is going. See, right there, post the ad. It's going to go through, go to the next page, grab that CAPTCHA picture.
Alright, what's up, guys?
And that's the video. It's going to take about 10 seconds per CAPTCHA because it's got to send it to a server, bring it back, and then right there, that's the loading screen, that's when it's off. Then it's going to set that CAPTCHA, hit place ad, and then you're done. The great thing about this one, it's not set to timers, it's not set to a certain time period that it waits in between. It's set to... Okay. So it'll grab that post, put it in there, grab the picture, then it'll send the picture to a server. The server will read the picture, send the text back, post it in here, and then click place ad. It takes about 10 seconds because we got to give it time to think. Right there, it'll always say it's not responding because I have the program set to freeze so it doesn't mess up the CAPTCHA. If it's being played with while the CAPTCHA is running, the server API is not going to like that. And there you go. Runs, goes through every post. If you run out of titles, it'll actually go through, grab your titles again, reload them to the list, and randomize them again. So you'll pretty much get a different post every time in every city. Very useful. Very useful. And then to stop, if you just want to turn your computer off or anything, just closing right out of it, it's not going to hurt it at all. There you go, guys. That is the BackPage Poster. Any questions you have, just email us at betabuzzsoftware@gmail.com.